Okay, more people are joining in. More people are joining in. So let me just do that now, and then we'll start off. And
Hello.
good day. What's that?
Good
Mr.
afternoon, sir.
Delight, right? Is that Mr. Delight or who?
David.
Mr. David. Yeah, Mr. David. How's it going now?
Hi, thank
Okay,
you.
doing well. Amazing stuff. I I'm seeing a name here. Let me check. Let me check. I saw a message here now. Yeah, Nicole. Yeah, how's it going, Nicole? I hope you're doing amazingly well too. All right. So more people are coming in. All right. So let me start off by saying who was active yesterday on our live class? Who joined our live class yesterday? Anybody? Was anybody here in our live class yesterday? If you had just drop one on the chat box. So I know that you were active here yesterday. Amazing. Barry FX. And did you also make money from the trades setup we called yesterday? Big Danzy, yeah. Yeah. Amazing. Amazing. Sorry guys, today I won't be sharing my screen, okay? Rather, I won't be sharing my face. I am currently in a place where I can't really share my face yet, but we'll just be sharing the screen and all. All right. So let's go ahead and let's do the analysis, and then we'll talk about how to manage our trade. Okay. So obviously we know today is NFP, and is one of those very volatile news that comes up in the market, right? And yeah, we'll be crushing NFP. This is not the first time, and by God's grace, we're going to kill it this time around, right? So basically, yeah, we just want to look back and check what the market has been doing and what our buyers should look like for. So I'll be starting off with a top-down analysis. Remember, whenever I talk about top-down analysis, it's just for you to have a bigger picture of what the market is doing, right? That is the purpose of top-down analysis, nothing major. It's not like we are taking trades from the bigger time frame. We only just want to go there to analyze the markets or just to see what the market has in stock for us. That is why we go all the way for upper time frame. And I've always taught us this multiple times. This is what they call multi-time frame analysis. All right, so that's what I'll be doing now. I'll be going to, let me even start as far back as weekly time frame. Right, so this is my weekly time frame. Obviously, we see that the market has been buying for so long. And now you guys just watch this out. You'd see somewhere around here, the markets has come back to respect the zone. You see that structure, the market has come back to respect that zone, this same place. It's telling us that this is a major support zone. Now let's see if it's still going to be respected on other time frames. This is daily time frame. You see the same thing. It's being respected. 4 hours time frame. You see those multiple, this is what they call three, we have what we call double bottom. This is like a triple bottom. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch. And this was what happened yesterday that gave us that major push. Since it could not break below all of this zone, it pushed all the way. It broke all of those previous highs, right? It pushed all the way, which is already giving us, oh, a bullish bias. Now it pushed up, came back to test at least 50%. And then this is what we have. I would have even loved for the market to come back in a bit and then push up. But with this structure, we are not really it's still a good structure. Let me show you why I say it's still a good structure. I would have loved for the market to get all the way down within the zone and then push up. But again, you trade what you see and not what you feel or what you think. Now look at another structure in the market. A proper way to trade W patterns, which is a double top, is when the market gets to the neckline. This place is called the neckline. Exactly that place. That's where you see this push happen. And this was from Asian session. So again, you see this is also a good time to also look for a buy. That's that. And let's go back to our 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame.
Now,
Oof. Please, let's
I'm
mute our
working.
mic. Hey, please let us mute our mic. Let's mute our mic if you're not asked to speak. We already know the rules. So please let's continue doing that. All right. Thank you. Right. So this is 1 hour time frame as well. Right. Same structure. Then we have this major push all the way back up. And then we have all of this happening. Now we already have a bias. For me, my bias is to look for more buys, right? Look for more buys that might just push the market all the way up. That's my bias. And we are back to 5 minute time frame. Um, we already know my structures, the things I look out for, my key zones, the high low close. Then the next I need is to just get key zones. Since I'm on a buy, I should be looking to take out highs and protect lows. Now let's combine it with our news, which is Forex Factory, right? So for my Forex Factory, just a moment, guys. Yeah, so for my Forex Factory, this is it. US dollar falls nearly 1% against yen in sudden swing. Oh, wow. All right. So this is it. NFP is meant to be on Fridays, but because there's a bank holiday tomorrow, that's why it's been pushed to what, Thursday today. I'm sure some people would have been so surprised when they heard me say, we like to trade NFP with me today. I know, right? But this is the major reason, right? Why we're trading NFP today, right? So we have three major news, and most times whenever NFP comes out, we always have an unemployment rate as well coming up and this average hourly earning, right? These three news always come almost at the same time. But here's the tricky thing, right? The forecast and the previous for unemployment rate and the average hourly are mostly just the same, right? They are mostly just the same thing. You can see the same figure, same figure. So you couldn't really deduce or you cannot totally deduce what you'll be expecting the market to do, right? Except you have insider information. But if it's just plainly with what you're seeing here, you probably will not be able to do too much of um, projection. The only information we have left is what the NFP. And remember, we've spoken about NFP multiple times and how we can analyze NFP, right? And we have our forecast, we have our previous. From this rule, before I say anything, I would like to put it out there just to know that we are all on the same page. And I know I've been teaching you guys so well. From this rule we are saying here, what would you project the actual figure should come out? Should it be positive? Should it buy? Or should it be negative? And that means should it sell? So I want responses from us. What would you be expecting from your actual? Anybody? Okay, I'm guessing some. Okay, Mr. Danzi said buy. Madam Evie said negative sell. Okay, any other person? Buy, sell. I want more responses. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Um, Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Negative. We're getting buy, sell. All right. So we have both. Okay, negative for USD. I like that. I like the English. Negative for USD. All right. Negative for USD. Amazing. Thank you so, so much. Now, so here's the trick here. This news is influencing United States dollar, right? It's influencing United States dollar itself. That's the first thing. So this news from our figures here, we've always said if your forecast is greater than your previous, you should look for what? More potential buys. Now, this is the opposite. If your forecast is lesser than your previous, you should be looking for what? Potential sell. Now, you see that this also conforms with our fundamental, or rather our technical analysis, which is we're looking for what? More buys in the market, right? That being said, we should be expecting more buys. So 114K is lesser than 172K. So most likely the figure that should come out here should be lesser than 114K. So if we see a figure come out as low as 112, 110, 109, that means United States dollar should be what? Should be weak. So if you are the type of person that like to trade pairs that has USD as the base, USD JPY, USD CAD, USD NZD, whatever pair be the case, you should be looking to do what? Sell those pairs. And if you also want to trade pairs like gold, like we would love to do here, you should do what? You should be looking to buy pairs like gold. That's the simple truth, right? So we are probably expecting, because remember, Forex is a probable market and not a guaranteed market. So we are all expecting that what? The USD should be weak and gold should be strong. Now, with this information we have, you will want to ask yourself, why don't we just start selling now? Yeah, that's a big, sorry. Okay, yeah, please tell him I'm in a meeting. Tell him yeah, I'm in a meeting. Yeah. So with all of this information now that we have, the question will now be, why don't I just go in for a sell on USD pairs and buy on gold? It's because we also want to remain flexible. These are figures we have, but anything can happen at the last minute, right? These are figures we have, and it could appear that at the last minute, the figure here, the actual figure, comes even greater than 114K. You now see maybe it's 204K, right? That doesn't mean you are wrong. It is just the people that are actually pushing this market, right? They just want to take that decision. All we need to do is just to be flexible, follow their lead. We are not the one determining where the trend of the market will go to, right? We all are just following the trend, what they decide, right? So we already have that idea of where the market should go to. That's the first thing. We already have the idea of where the market should go to. But is that enough reason to just enter now? I wouldn't say is enough. So immediately the figure comes out, then we punch in and then we ride along with the market. But if you are the type of person that love to take big risk, mm, maybe 1, 2 minutes before the news comes out, you can take that big risk. But remember, it can make or mar you. All right. So that's our analysis on gold. And that being said, let's check some USD pairs. So we should be expecting USD pairs to weaken, right? For instance, USD card, we should expect USD card to weaken, right? And it's currently at this key zone here. It's currently at this key zone. So it might just try to push up, and maybe come down. If it closes with all these weak candles around this point, then it means that the Forex factory might just, this information we have here might just be correct, right? Which is USD should be weak. But who knows? We are just going to watch and see how the market unfolds. Here is another key zone, an extension of this previous zone. Yeah. So I just have that like that. And then there's another smaller zone here. All right. So within this is what the market is going to just give us a structure around this point here before the NFP. So this for USD card. This is USD JPY. Yeah, probably pushes up a bit and then continue for the sell. GPP USD, I'm expecting a push for the buy on GPP USD. So please take notes of these pairs in case there are pairs you want to trade. Because once the news is out, I'm only going to stick to the pair I like to trade the most. I'm just trading maybe just 2 pairs, right? So please take note of the pairs in case you're not a gold fan, right? These are other pairs you might just want to look out for, right? So for GPP USD, I'll be looking for more buys on GU. Same thing as GPP card, yeah. GJ. I'm not too certain of GJ. I'm not too certain. I guess it's gonna sell, but I'm not gonna even trade that. Euro USD, I should be looking for more buys on Euro USD. Yeah, I'm looking for more buys on Euro USD. Right, Euro USD. I'll be looking for more buys. Euro NZD, almost the same thing. Euro JPY, looking for sell. Euro GPP, I'm looking for sell. AUD JPY, yeah, looking for a buy. AUD card, we're looking for buys. AUD USD, we're looking for buys. US oil is still selling. US tech, yeah, US tech is way different. To an extent, the market, this news doesn't really affect it, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not too certain it really affects it. But from the structure of the market, let me see. From the structure of the market, we have this channel, right? So we'll just watch to see how the market reacts of that. So let's go back to our primary pair. Um, let's go back to our primary pair. So we see DXY pushing up. DXY is pushing up back to the zone. And BTC looks like it's gonna keep buying gold. Okay, other key zone. So I'll be sticking with this particular one. Yeah. So we already have our buyers and we should be looking for more buys. That's what we're expecting. So that being the case, let us get our account ready. All right. So if you have, we are back. Oh, okay. So if you have, what's it called now? If you have an account less than $100, please go in and you're trading gold, go in with a max lot size of just mini lot size 0.01 to 0.03. That's for proper management rule, right? If your account is bigger than that, then you can then do like $100 upward. You can do like from 0.05 to 0.09 within that range, right? If you have like $200 there, about 0.05 to 0.09, you can have it in multiple places. That's that, right? And then just keep scaling up, scaling up. And remember, whenever we enter a trade like this, we have the mentality that we are here for a scalp trade, right? Milk that trade for the next 10 to 15 minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes, withdraw, and then you can reposition for the longer trade, all right? Don't be too greedy. Don't do too much. All right. Just do the little you can do. All right. And then milk the market. So I'm getting my account ready and I want you to do the same. All right. So I'm just going to mute my mic for now and I'll come back very soon. All right. I'll be muting my mic now and I'll be coming back very, very soon. I'm saying a question based on the economic of the country and the news released by government. Oh, okay. I guess it was a response. All right. So just give me a few minutes. So everybody, the news will be released in less than 10 minutes from now, right? In 10 minutes from now, the news will be released. Okay. So get your account ready if you need to fund. But remember, don't trade what you're not willing to let go. All right. Don't trade what you're not willing to let go. All right. Thank you very, very much. All right, guys, so I'm back. So we have less than 7 minutes to go on this trade. And we've not called the signal yet, too, guys. We've not called the signal. All right, so let's just still watch. Now, like I said, I'm still expecting more buys. But again, another thing I'm seeing on the chart is, let me even mark it out. Just like we already know, we have this current move is a little bit of what bullish movement. And for bullish movement, we've always said that the highs should be what should be taken out and the lows should be protected, right? The highs should be taken out, the lows should be protected. And we already have a structure like this. Highs are always taken out. Another high is taken out. Now, this is the low. It has not been taken out yet. You see all of this? Is not taken out yet. And this is the eye. So two things might happen. The news might push it, and then we start getting the buys, or it might just take it down back to this zone, then maybe push us back up. That is why we need to also what be very patient. Because for me, a very good entry, my very good entry would not even be within this place, right? My good entry would be for the market to come into this zone and push up. You remember what I said about our discount and premium zone? I want the market to find its way into this zone. I want to find like proper sell into this zone and then push up. So the news might just come in, push gold down and then go up, or what? It might just start going up from there. We don't know. We can't predict. We're only here to react. So if the news comes in favor of USD, USD is strong, we are going to go and buy. Who's calling me? This time. If it's strong, go and buy USD, right? If it comes out color green, we are buying USD pairs. That means gold is selling. Do you get? And if it comes out red, which is weak, it means the buy has started already. All right. So I just want us to have that information. Um, yeah. I'm getting a news now. Lebanon president says country will not okay, will not cede a single niche. Different news are just coming up at different times. Don't call me now. I'm in a meeting. All right. So we have 4 minutes to go. We have 4 minutes to go. This is the worst time people should start calling you or your network should start seizing. This is not a good time for that. I feel block you. Don't call me now. I'm in a meeting. Right. So let's go back. And please get your account ready. Get your account ready. Maybe. All right. So let's get our account ready. This is doing too much. Just a minute. Hello? Hello? Are you a cow? Called me, you couldn't even speak. That's so funny. So 3 minutes to go. I can block this girl. So we have 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. So let's just watch and see what the market is going to do. All right. So please let me know what pairs are you going to trade on this call? For me, I'm going to be trading gold and I'm also going to be trading AUD USD. AUD USD, and I'm also going to be trading gold. And my bias for the two of them is to buy. So let me know if you're on this call and you're going to be trading, please, what are you going to be trading? Let me know what you're trading. If you're on this call and you're going to be trading, what are you going to be trading? Just drop the pair down there for me. AUD USD. Mr. Luwatosin, so the thing is, I'm not even going to put the phone on DND. I'm going to pick the call and I'm just going to let it be. Anything he wants to say, the person wants to say, I'll bond the credit. I'll just keep picking it. All right. Yeah. So gold, AUD, USD. Yeah. Amazing. So let's see. By God's grace, let's milk the market. Let's milk the market. Seems the person has a lot of airtime to burn. So I'll help the person burn it. Hopefully, good will not burn. Good will not burn me. Oh, anyway. man. So let's see how the market moves. Let's see how the market moves. Okay. So we are waiting to see what we should be getting from the market now. The market might just keep pushing down. We don't know yet, but let's just see how it moves. So we have less than 1 minute to go. All right, we have less than 1 minute to go. So let's see what the market is gonna give us. Is it gonna sell or are we gonna be looking for buys? We don't know yet, but let's see. We have less than 1 minute to go. So please get your account ready. Get your account ready. Get them ready. Are we looking for buys or are we looking for sales? Are we looking for buys? Are we looking for sales? So we have 45 minutes, 45 seconds rather. We have 45 seconds to go. Right. 40 seconds to go. So we'll know anytime soon from now. And 24 seconds to go. 21 seconds, 20 seconds to go. 14 seconds. What's happening? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo! It's going for the buy. Guys, buy now. Amazing. Buy, 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 buy. Buy gold now. Buy gold, buy AUD USD. Buy gold, buy AUD USD. Buy gold, buy AUD USD. Man, amazing, amazing. Buy AUD USD, Euro USD. Just keep buying them. Where's my pair? Buy them now. Can you see this is weak, so you can start buying gold now. You can buy gold now. You should start seeing good profits, guys. Who is in profits? I'm currently in profits. I'm currently in profits. Oof, I don't even think I can talk. Let me start, man. Oof, thank God. Weekend money is set. Weekend money is set already. So who is in profit, guys? Let me know. Are you guys in profit now? Let me know. Are you in profit? Are you in profit? Anybody in profit? Drop it on the chat box now. Are you in profit? How much profit are you on? Let me know. Let me know, guys. How much profit are you on? How much profit are you on? 420. Amazing stuff. That's 420 profits. Who else? How much are we on? How much? How much? How much? How much? How much? How much are we on? Any other person? Princess, you're on this call. How much are you on? I was going to call you out, and I'm doing that now. Amazing. How much are you on? Any other person? Any other person? How much are we on? So the idea basically is let's see how this candle closes within the next 15 minutes, and then we know what to do, right? The next 15 minutes, we know what to do. But for now, we'll just keep managing the trade for now, right? I've closed out on two small accounts, and I'm just going to leave one running, right? That's the way I can manage it. Two small accounts, I've closed out on that, and I'm going to leave just one running, right? So let me know, guys. How much are we on currently? How much are we on? Anybody? I'm still back in profits. Now let's go check out our AUD USD PSF. The AUD USD. AUD JPY pushed up. AUD card pushing up. AUD USD pushing up. The USD JPY is selling, selling, selling. Amazing. So we've made money today, and my work here is done. All right, so keep managing it the next 15 minutes, right? Next 15 minutes. But by now, I believe we know how we were able to get this done. All right. 300, 121, 420. Amazing stuff. All right. So just keep managing it, guys. I have to step out to get a package. All right. Thank you, guys. This is one of the fastest way to make money. Please keep managing it. The next 15 minutes, keep managing it. All right. God bless you guys. Love you all, and we'll see you some other time. Stay blessed. But before I go, please let's unmute our mic. I want to hear some W's in the chat now. Any W's, if you made money, W's in the chat. Let me hear you. Let me hear you.
W in the
Let's
chat.
go.
I
That's
made money,
perfect.
sir. W's,
Mr.
$100.
Ifine, W's.
W's,
Yes,
Prime FX,
Prime
W's.
FX, yeah, 100 from
420
PH.
on board.
Amazing, amazing,
Thank
amazing.
you,
God
Mali.
bless you, Tamale.
Yeah, thank God, thank God. It's nice to
God
hear
bless
this.
you.
This
God
is the
bless you.
effect I want now. Amazing.
Thank you.
I'm making some.
God bless
W's.
you.
Thank you,
Hey,
Mali.
Madam Abby, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. I'm expect there was one guy that is always from India. I don't know if he's around. He's not here. He's not here.
From Dubai, Francisca.
Oh yeah, from Madam Francisca. It's nice to
Yes,
join. Amazing
thank
stuff. I
you.
hope you're
Thank
making
you.
profit from this call.
For sure, 300 for sure.
Okay.
Amazing,
Guys, let's
amazing,
let's let's
amazing.
let's let's $420.
Ah,
Let's
amazing,
it's better.
amazing, amazing. I'm super proud
Let's
of you
get
guys. God bless you guys. Cheers, guys.
Mm.
All
Bye.
right, now we'll see some other time, okay?
Sure, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, yeah,
Thank
$100.
you, sir. God
yeah,
bless you, man.
yeah, yeah.
597,000
You
naira.
just they chop the money go.
Now 579 dollars.
Prime
Nine
FX, PH,
boss.
amazing. Don't worry, I'll come there very soon. We'll shut
I'm
that place down.
expecting you.
All
I
right,
say me,
now.
I'm expecting you.
Yes, boss. All right, guys. God bless you all. Cheers.